Welcome into Dikanas. I hope you all are doing really good. So, this is the third part of our series on how to use digital marketing to generate highly qualified leads and grow your interior design business. And today we are going to talking about your one of the favorite topics that you would like to discuss every single time is lead generation strategies to grow your interior design business. So far, we have spent lakhs and lakhs of rupees on interior design ads to see what works and what not. So in this video today, I will be sharing a proven pathway, proven strategies with some examples, with some data to show you how the things work. So let's get started. So my name is Arihant Dugar. I'm the founder of getmopros.com. We are a interior design marketing and consulting company, helping them to scale and grow their business with predictability by saving them money, time, energy, and resources, and scale with the predictability. So yeah, let's start the lead generation strategies to grow your interior design business. But before we begin, you need to understand the importance of lead generation. So before we jump into the strategies, let's quickly talk about why lead generation is crucial for interior design business. Leads are potential clients who have expressed interest in your service. By nurturing them and converting those leads, you can increase your client base, revenue, and reputation in the market. Like the basic answer of why you need more leads in your business is you want to grow your business. Why you want to grow your business? You need to learn to answer these why questions every single time to grow your business. Why do you want more leads? Ultimately, you want to grow a business. Why do you want to grow a business? Maybe you want to buy a new car, new home, you want to do something else, you want to go on a good vacation, you are planning for a trip, etc. etc. You need to invest your money in your kids' education. That can be anything. You need to maybe start one more another business. Maybe you want to hire more people so that you can scale further beyond that. So you need to understand why you want leads. And once you get the answer, like why you want lead, you need to ask the question again, why? Why do you want to grow your business? What is the reason behind it? Then only you will be able to take your business seriously and able to scale. So that's why importance of lead generation. Without leads, there is no business that can survive on this planet Earth. Every single business needs a customer, the end user, a person who can buy something from you, who can give you their money in exchange of the value and the service you're providing. So the first one of the best ways to get high quality leads for your business is content marketing. One of the effective strategies content marketing, sharing valuable content, position you as effective and draw potential clients to your hands. Create blog posts, videos, social media content that addresses common design challenges, showcase a portfolio, and provide tips and inspiration. This is only eager your audience to establish their trust. Because by just doing lead generation, it will not going to help. You need to build trust with them. So how you what I see many interior designers doing the lead generation, they buy some leads from online portals like Just Dial, India Mart, Sulekha, and there are many platforms in the market. Those who are selling those bullshit leads, and you call them. That is not lead generation. That is just wasting your time, money, and energy for your business. If you are doing that and thinking you are doing lead generation, you are doing nothing. You are just fooling yourself and getting fooled by those people who are selling you those leads. What is a lead? Let me tell you the definition of what is a lead. Lead is a person who is interested in you, already know about you. The lead you are buying from these websites, they don't know you. They don't give a damn about you, who you are. They have already received 10 calls today before you calling them regarding your interior design service because that lead has been shared to already 20 different people in the market. So that's what happens when you do work with these companies instead of doing your own lead generation where leads should know about you, not about anybody else. I see many people say we are collaborating with Live Space, we are collaborated with Homeland. How you are growing your business by collaborating with the Live Space? Yeah, you can make some money, you can get some project, but you are not getting a project under your hand. Somebody else's brand is growing and they are giving you the project. It's like you are just an Ola and Uber driver. Are you getting my point? The company who is giving you the project like LiveSpace or a HomeLane, it will not help you to grow your business. You will make some money like Ola and Uber driver who works on a commission basis, but you will not able to scale exponentially. You are just a Ola and Uber driver. You are just a Swiggy and Zomato delivery boy. You are just a restaurant. You are not a Zomato. You are not a Ola. You are not a Uber. You are not a HomeLane. You are not a LiveSpace. You are just their partner who is giving you their projects, and you are making some bucks and you are making some money. And that's why you won't be able to scale. So that's what you need to do. You need to start the content marketing. If I give you some of the examples, so this is one of the really great page, Nandini Interior Design. So see, she have 140K followers, and the engagement is also pretty good. I would not say it's bad, but it's pretty good. What she's doing, she's providing value. If I start like 50 to 55-inch from bottom, standard height of a switchboard. So what she is exactly doing is she is solving the problem that his or her customer will gonna face. What you need to do, the best way to produce a really good content is write down the 10 or 100 problem of your target audience. Write down 100 problem of your target audience. Let's say if you are working with residential interiors, you are doing interior design for homeowners. Write 100 problems that they face in their home interior design and make 100 videos, and just see the amount of leads gonna pop up on your feed, the amount of people are contacting you every single day. You will gonna be amazed. See, counterpart, countertop, and surface pros and cons. This is the basic problem that many people are facing nowadays, and the basic you can say the problem that your clients are facing. That's what you need to do. Create a problem solving content that brings value to your audience, like 3D MDF wall design options. See, these are all the basic things that every customer have in their mind, every homeowner have in their mind while doing their home interior. So what she's doing, she's just simply solving it, and people are contacting her. Same thing with this. One more page is there. 3.1 million views. Design interior homes. See, same thing they are doing. These guys are doing. See the engagement, the amount of people are contacting them. So that's what you need to do. You need to post consistent content. It's not like you post it for a week and you say, no man, no lead I have got. It's just waste of time. It's not gonna like that. You need to commit at least 3 to 6 months in content marketing to see a phenomenal results that you're going to get in next 9 to 10 years. So that's what you need to do. Now let's go to the second point. Offering free resources. This is I've seen nobody is doing in the market. What do I mean by offering free resources? Another way to capture lead is by offering free resources, design guides, ebook, or even webinar on interior design trends can attract individual interest in your service. To access these resources, they will provide their contact information, which you can use them to targeted follow-ups. So exactly what you need to do is, let's say, again, I will give you an example of some different niche, not just residential. Let's say you are interior design specialized in office interiors, for an example. So what you have to do here, you have to make some guides, some ebooks on like top 10 ways to design your office to its full potential. Let's say if you are interior design with Vastu expert, so you can write a really good book on how to attract positivity and abundance using interior design and a Vastu combination in your life. That's what you need to do. Come up with these ebooks, some design ideas, or the best thing you can do. I've recommended this to many interior designers in the market. Do webinars, because in this industry nobody is doing webinars. What you have to do, you have to run ads on towards like a free webinar for homeowners who want to design their home with proper trends, with cost effective strategies. You need to do a copywriting on that properly and run that ad. You will easily going to get, if you spend around 10,000 rupees, you will easily going to get 200 to 300 people interested in joining the webinar. Let's say 200 people wants to join the webinar, they have registered for this. Let's say from 200, 50% show ups, 100 people showed up on your webinar, 50 people stayed till then, and you got, let's say, 5 projects at the end. Because at the end you will be pitching your services. Like this is how you can do that. So you can book appointment with those people who are interested in interior designing, wants to design their home with you. So that's what help you to build trust. That's what help you to build. And if you do this weekly, once webinar, and you have 5 site visits a week, new appointments a week, you can easily close 3 to 4 projects every single month. 5 appointments every single week, 2 projects you are closing. That is around 8 projects a month. What else you need, man? That's what you exactly want to do. And how long the webinar going to be? Hardly one and a half hour. You need to invest a week. to get 2 extra projects every single month, every single week. That's how you will be able to scale. That's what you need to. You need to put effort when you need to spend money. You need to put effort. We can do everything just for you, but you need to invest money on that. I don't want you to contact me if you just have 10,000 rupees in your pocket. I'm honestly saying you upfront. If you want to work with us, you need to have a minimum budget of 1 lakh rupees in your hand. If you don't have, I would highly recommend you not contacting us. So yeah, I know it's brutal, but it's on. Collaboration and networking. This is the old strategy. Sometimes it works, sometimes not. It's very old strategy. Like collaborating with local businesses is a fantastic lead generation tactic. Partner with real estate agents, home builder, or a furniture store. This expands you each to their customer base, and you can even offer special deals to a client referred through these partnerships. But this is a very competitive and very old school space. When you are trying to get in touch with some agents or home builder, they will not going to give you much. You can say they will not want to give you much ideas, or they will not interested in helping with you. But if you have any friend in your network, then they can help you. But this can work, but you need to put a lot of efforts inside it. This is very free, where no money you have to spend. You just have to pay some commissions to the agent or a builder if they give you a project like 1 or 2%. But it's very time consuming. It's not guaranteed. You need to spend a lot of time talking to a lot of builders, lot of agents, and begging them for projects. Initially, if you are at zero, you have a zero funds, not a single penny you are there to spend on marketing, then you can do this. Talk to 25, 30 designers, real estate agents every single day. Call them, ask for referrals. Call them, ask for referral, provide them commission. Then this is one of the most important things. Lead generation is important, but after lead generation, what is important? Lead nurturing. Because let's say you generate 100 leads every single month. From those 100 leads, only 15, 20 leads will be having a immediate requirement who wants to start their interior design work as soon as possible. But rest of the leads won't have that amount of requirement. They might have requirement after 1 month, 15 days, 30 days, 45 days, 90 days, whatever the issue is. They might have not got yet their keys for home to get started working on the home interior. Anything can be. Position is not there. So what you need to do, you need to set up email marketing as a powerful tool for nurturing leads. Send regular newsletter with design tips, project highlight, exclusive offers. Segment your email list to deliver tailored content to the different type of leads. Remember, consistent and personalized communication build over trust over time. Build trust over time. Let me show you like my one of the email sequence. So you need to build this email sequence. So what happens whenever somebody opt in our funnel? What happens? They simply like here the trigger happens within 10 minutes. First email go. Then after 6 hours, next email go. Then after 6 hours, next email go. Then after 6 hours, next email go. So we do automated, consistent follow-ups. What happens? It helps them to build trust with our audience. 6 hours. Then once we send some 6 hours email, then we send it for after with a gap of 1 day. After 1 day, 1 day, 1 day, 1 day, all these. So these are the email sequence I have built for my own company to do a consistent follow with all the leads that we generate. The same thing you need to do for you. I can't show you my clients because that is like confidential data, but I can show you mine because that's mine only. So that's why I know many of my competitors will be watching this and stealing this, but I don't care. So yeah, that is it. This is one of the things you need to do. Email marketing, lead nurturing is most important thing. You need to do that. Then running social media ads. If you want the fastest results, fastest result, you don't want to post a lot of content, you don't want to offer much free resource in the past, you don't want to waste your time in collaboration and all. Lead follow-up only comes when you do the lead generation. So if you want, let's say today you thought I want leads on my own using my own marketing. Tomorrow you can start ads. So social media ads can target specific demographics interested in interior design. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook allow you to define your audience based on interest, location. If you want to know more about it, the best thing you can do is check out my old videos. You will get to know more about it, how to run Facebook, Instagram ads. If I show you some of the ads that your computer might be running, let's say you are in Mumbai. So I will write Mumbai interior design. Not this one. Mumbai interior design. I'm just giving an example. So this is a Facebook ad library where you can see your competitors' ads. These are all the ads going on in the Mumbai interior designers are running, and you are not doing that. That means they are taking your customers that you can take. Simple. That's what you don't want. I don't want this happen with you. So the best thing you can do is you can start your own ads. That is the best thing to scale and grow your interior design business. And yeah. So that is it for this video. If you have any questions, drop the comment down below. If you want to work with us, you can click on the first link in the description box. And this is one of the reasons, main thing you need to do at the end. As you implement these strategies, it's crucial to measure their effectiveness. Use tools like Google Analytics, social media insights, email open rate to access which tactics are driving you most leads. Make data-driven decision and refine your approach accordingly. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you find this video valuable. If you are into design and want to work with us, click on the first link in the description box and you can schedule a one-on-one consultation with us absolutely for free. So that is it for this video and I will see you on another side. Till then, bye-bye. Have a good one.